Alright, here's the part I got. I got this off the internet. It was it was cheap. It came with everything I needed. I will show you the place where I got it. It's an actual a factory part for your Predator 670. It's the whole switch, everything. From the choke wire, all you got is the little wires here. Need any parts for your 670. It has all kinds of stuff from carburetor to gaskets to washers. This company has everything. I got a magnet of it. I'm going to show you quickly the magnet. So if you had any need any parts or even the starter, here it is real quick. I don't want to be covering the I'm gonna put my fingers right at the edge. There you go. Also, I'm gonna have a picture of it in the description or a quick website of it. But anyway, any parts you need for your Predator 670 motor or any Predator engine is right here. That place, okay? I'm not getting any supports or anything for showing you this. It's just me being a good guy, wanted to make sure you know where to get parts for your Predator. And yeah, figured I'd show you. Y'all have a great day, a great evening, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'm gonna quickly bring you over to the motor, and I'm gonna show you how quick and easy this is to install. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will be right there putting it on. Should only take about 5 minutes. Alright, well, here's the old one. See, it's just sitting on here with a little bit of glove and bolt. Let me quickly put this one on. First thing, these pair of pliers. Look how beautiful that is. Alright, I'm just going to set the key here for now. Take this, stick this back in here. Put this screw back in. Tighten it up with these pliers. I gotta go to the door, raid my vault cabinet. There it is, it goes right here. And I'm just gonna put the vice grips back on here for now. What you call fix. There we go. Here's the choke lever thing again. All I got to do, let me stick it here. Put this back in here. One thing really cool about this, I think makes it really easy to do. is it's a OEM part, so hookup is a breeze. There we go. Choke on, choke off. Choke on, choke off. Once I tighten this back up so she doesn't move. There we go. Next thing I gotta do is all the wires. One thing nice, it's all color coded down here. Let me bring you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. See, this has all the wires and everything. All set, ready. Piece of cake. Alright. Alright. There's the yellow here. That's where this yellow one goes. Next is this red one. Just follow your wire. One goes to the carburetor, one goes to the engine. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to disconnect that red with white stripe. Look on your harness. I know that one goes there because here's the yellow one. There's the yellow one. From here to here. The red one, let me see where that goes. White with red stripe, white with red stripe, and I had to tape some of this up. Then should be a solid white with red stripe. See, there's a white red stripe. Then here's where the red one goes. Right there. I don't know if you could see that, but it goes right underneath to the wire from the start, from this up here to this red wire. Then that almost disconnects everything. I got 2 more wires to hook. I'm gonna have to disconnect the starter, which this is one of the wires right here. which is the same wire as this, and the only one I have to take off, I'm going to take this off so I can put that. No, I can't get in there. Let me turn this here. Hopefully she's not too tight. There's all that. It's all off. This wire goes to where the positive goes on the battery. Yeah, same as the starter solenoid. And this one goes into this little clip right next to the starter solenoid. There we go. And what we gotta do now, put the positive cable back onto the battery. Put the washer, put the lock washer, screw in the bolt again, pair of pliers. Yeah, there's where the other wire went. There we go. Alrighty. See how good she starts now. Brand new wire, brand new solenoid, or wires for the solenoid and everything. All I gotta do is put some electrical tape on all that, but let's do it a quick turnover. Pull out the choke. There you go. Really nice switch. It looks just like it always did. See, you can see it right there. Brand new. Awesome. Just remember, go to this website to get the parts. $40 if you ever needed a switch, if your switch went bad on your Predator 670 or any of your Predator engines. All I can say is, thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. You know what to do. And have a great day and a great week. I will see you next time in my next video. Thanks again, and have a good night. Goodbye.